Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we want to talk on how to download vMix. So if you want to download vMix, you first of all come to your Chrome or Google Drive. Come to your Chrome, sorry. Come to your Chrome and type vMix. Type vMix. Type vMix. After typing vMix, come to this icon where vMix there's an icon of vMix. Then it has been written vMix live video editing software. You can either use this one or the down one here, this one or the down one here. So whichever you use, you will be guided. So let's just say we are coming here, and here you see the icon. There you see the icon of vMix, then you will be directed to download. Then you will be directed to download. So after you have been directed to download, you will come and click download. So vMix will download. After it has downloaded, you will be guided through on how until the time it will finish to download. Yeah. After that you will now need to install it. So by installing it, you'll click the downloaded file. And click yes or next. So then the vMix setup will have opened. So it will be installing. After that, you read and accept the license. And then choose your preferred destination where the vMix will be saved. And click installed. After clicking installed, you will have finished. So for you to open vMix, from your desktop shortcut, there will be a shortcut which will be created or set up menu. Then now you will be asked to enter your email address to start 60 days free trial. So free trial will be there for 60 days, that is around 2 months. Then after 2 months you will be asked now to register. And if you have already registered, then you will be asked to purchase or put the registration key to verify your account. After putting your registration key, then vMix will have done what? You will have registered for vMix, and you will be enjoying using vMix like I am using here. So this is a free trial for now, and if you want, you can just download. We use free trial for 60 days, then later you can now pay for it. Thank you. If this is helpful, kindly mind to subscribe. Thank you.